Hi, how's it going? I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Andrew Scott. There's a few things about me that I think you should know. First off, I'm a hardworking individual. I take pride in all that I do. If I come across an obstacle, you can count on me overcoming that obstacle. It was the way I was raised. Some consider me a go-getter. If I have a goal in mind, I am set on reaching that goal with all of my effort. I'm also a respectful man, and trustworthiness is something I uphold greatly. I boast a cumulative 3.51 GPA in college, and I'm planning on graduating with a bachelor's degree in finance with honors from the University of Tampa. Past experience in sales and other lines of work have really prepared me for future challenges, and I'm willing to accept these challenges as it will only lead to making me a better person. If I have a vision of success, and if you were to give me the opportunity to progress towards my goals, you will not be disappointed. I promise you that. It was very nice meeting you again. Thank you. Have a great day.